Greetings all. Welcome back to my channel. We are still in Scotland and we're starting a walk on the Drummore Artwork Trail. And it's pure art on this trail. I don't have too much history, but I'll take you for the walk. And you will get to see, sorry for the wind, but that'll cut out in a minute. I was trying to block the wind and I blocked the view a little bit. My apologies. Off into the distance, the little town of Drummore, the very southernmost tip of Scotland. That's England all in distance over that way, I think. Yep, could be. Beautiful views. And these are the sites that you will see if you come to visit the Drummore Artwork Trail. These look like recycled arts. And then over the side, some things up here. Big shout out to all the artists, big and small, old and young, who took part in this beautiful project. Thank you, because I'm enjoying myself. Got some more coming up. Just take a quick scan of all of them for you. If you're one of the artists and you see your creation, leave a comment, talk about it, point it out. They're all so beautiful. Thank you. Yes, we do. It's a beautiful trail, and it's a beautiful day for a walk. This is Loose Bay. This is Loose Bay, everyone. Some more art here. I think it's so beautiful that I popped up on this because when I was in Bermuda, let me give a nice little shout out to Antoine Darrow, Dimpy, at the former Bermuda's best kept secret in the end of Dockyard. And I used to paint rocks and sell them to tourists, so this is nice. Nice little memory. Here's some more. Thank you, Simpson family. Rest in peace, sweet Callie. This is a favorite of mine because I'm the angel, so I love angel fish. Special shout out to the fairies. Special shout out to the fairies, the air spirits. R.I.P. Izzy. Peace and love on your eternal journey. That's cute. Little seagull. Pure seagulls out here. Caitlin and Riley. Peace and love. Okay. I'm gonna have the grand finale at the end of this wall here because there's something that hits close to my heart and my home at the end of this wall. But these are so nice and so creative. So creative. Doing a little bit of artwork relieves stress, brings out your inner creativity, gets you in touch with yourself. You know, it keeps you in tune with spirit as well. Oh, look, I didn't even see that one. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. In case anybody didn't know, Scotland is the only country in the world, I believe, that has a mythological creature as its national animal. I beg to differ about the mythological part because I believe that they still exist and the magic is real. Don't stop believing in magic. Unicorn energy, unicorn medicine is powerful. And Scotland is a magical, magical place with magical, magical people doing all sorts of magical, magical things. I'm excited. I love it. And this is where I choose to end this video clip. I just want to give a big shout out and peace and love vibration to the spirit of Raymond Gibson. Apparently he died in a motorcycle crash. Scotland gent. And we have something in common, in a sense. Well, him and my son does. Because as some of you know, I have a son that passed in a motorcycle crash less than 2 years ago. So my heart is resonant with this memorial. And I give my love to everybody that was involved. Thank you so much for creating this beautiful space. The trail goes further down and there's a little bit more artwork like pebbles and stones and things, but I'll just show you these ones for now. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm out. Peace.